channel. My name is Ryan, and today I show you Play-doh. Let's do this. So this is the bye-bye human. This is the bye-bye human. And this is he bye-bye mouse. And this is the drawer. And this is the red Play-doh. And this is the white Play-doh. So this is the true buzzing. This is do it.
So you're gonna put the Play-doh in the tooth maker, right?
Yeah. Tooth maker. Tooth maker is a tooth maker. Squeeze it.
Wow. Put the tooth on the...
I put it in, and he will want to.
Alright, keep going.
Alright. You have 2 teeth now.
A few moments later.
You have 4 teeth.
Show them your teeth.
You have 4 now.
Wow.
You have 4 now. It's so shiny.
Now,
Now.
you want the braces?
Yeah, I want a bracelet.
Alright, so let's make your bracelet. Ooh, your teeth fell out.
Yeah.
You gotta squeeze it in there.
Come on.
Alright, here. You need the red Play-doh to make the braces. Get the red Play-doh. So what you need to do is grab a piece of Play-doh. Now roll it like that. Like down. There you go. Let me see. Yep, keep going. I gotta be skinnier.
And make the button. Make the button like this.
Yeah, you gotta make dots. Let me make you dots. And then you put it on the teeth. Here, put the dots
The dots?
on the teeth like that.
Oh, yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Like that.
Oh, put it in the teeth.
Yeah. Wait, put it this way.
Why did you do that?
So you can see right there.
Why? I can feel it. Right there? I'm done.
Alright, see? Now it's really thin.
And
So you can use them as a bracelet. So let me cut it in half.
cut it half.
There you go.
Yeah, I cut it half.
Now put it around the teeth like that. Ooh, it's big, 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 big.
Big, 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 big. Yummy, haha.
Here, try it now. You gotta put
Like this?
it like that.
Oh, I want to do that.
on the top, right there. Yep, there you go. Put it around. Wow. There you go.
Here.
Alright. Now let's see how it looks.
Let's see.
Oh, it looks like the picture. Show them the picture of the braces. Show them.
Oh, look. Look, you need to do something with that.
Yep. So now you can use your drill.
Yeah.
Now you're going to drill the teeth.
Small hole. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there.
Alright.
Now look at that. It's shiny. That's so cool.
Alright, now you can use your toothbrush.
Yeah.
What color toothbrush you doing? I mean, toothpaste.
Red.
Alright. Put the red toothpaste in the toothbrush.
And moving. Looking can do.
Press it in. Oh, now you got red toothpaste.
Yeah, but later we don't have white toothpaste.
Alright, now brush the teeth. Brush your teeth.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a tongue.
I'll put it in the tongue. Go away.
It's probably from the teeth.
What?
Teeth.
Oh, no. Yo, you're joking.
Alright, you brush the teeth.
Almost.
Almost.
Done.
Alright, close them up again. Let's see the teeth.
Hey,
Wow.
it's so cool.
And so we finished. Alright, so this is our result.
You mouth.
Open it up. Well, this is the end of the video.
Yay! Thank you guys for watching. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.